Namaste. A very good morning to all of you. I'm really happy to be with you all on the last day of this faculty development program. This program was titled Scenario of Commerce Management and Economics Education After COVID. Now friends, if you remember, when we started the lockdown, the first lockdown in the month of March, around a week after that lockdown, there was this discussion started actually. The discussion about the impact of the lockdown on economy. And as you all know, this pandemic is not restricted to our city, our state, our country. It is all over the globe. And it has affected the economy, the growth of the entire globe. All the countries are affected. And as an impact of it, due to globalization, all the countries are definitely going to affect in terms of economical growth. And when economy is affected, it is certainly going to affect all the other areas of the society. Now all these discussions and the discussions going on through the experts on the television, in the newspapers, the opinions of experts, they brought us to this particular program, the idea of this program. Because if there is going to be an impact on the economy, it certainly is going to have impact on the commerce and trade and the management faculty also. And if these are going to change the requirements and the needs of the commerce management and the industry, it will definitely affect the education system also. Education system contains the requirements, everything. And as academicians, we believe that it's our responsibility. It's our responsibility to understand what are going to be the future requirements, which are going to be the area of challenge, which are going to be the area where our students can really go and grab the opportunity. We need to understand that. And with these ideas, we decided to start this program. And I'm sure in last 10 days, the entire team of KTHM College, including the coordinator, Dr. Boris sir, IQAC coordinator, Dr. N.D. Gaikwad sir, Honorable Principal, Dr. V.V. Gaikwad sir, and they're all technical, non-technical supporting team. They have brought to you experts from different fields, experts from industries, corporates, academics, with their opinions, their ideas, to make you aware about the impact this pandemic is going to have on economy, on our respective fields and on our respective subjects. I'm again repeating, the idea was to make you aware of what impact is going to happen, how it is going to happen, and what challenges and opportunities it is going to create for us. Ultimately, whatever you have got from this program, we expect that you should design something, learn something from it, design something from it, and make sure that your students are equipped to deal with the upcoming challenges which are going to be in front of them when they go out after completing their degree. Friends, most of you know that the Faculty Development Center and UGC Human Resource Development Center of Savitribai Phule, Pune University functions with a difference. We design our program based on a particular theme. We try to get experts from different parts of the society who can really enrich our faculties in all the sectors. all the angles, all the dimensions. And participants like you and your feedbacks are really important for us. Let me share something with you. After this lockdown started in March, till May, we didn't design any program. We didn't announce any program. Almost till May 15th, we didn't have any program. It was only after May 15th, we started with our programs. It didn't mean that we were not doing anything. We were just trying to analyze things. We was just trying to understand the needs. What should we do? How should we go ahead for it with it? And all those things were going on. All the activities were going on. And since May 15th till today, we have completed almost 15 faculty development programs, one workshop, and till the end of July, 6 more programs are lined up. And as you know, all these programs are catering to the needs of teachers from different faculties with innovative themes, innovative ideas, and of course, uh, which involve very rich academic contents. All these things are possible only because of the enthusiastic coordinators, their support systems, and the academic richness available around us. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Professor V.B. Gaikwad, Dr. N.D. Gaikwad, the coordinator, Dr. Borosте sir. I know how much effort it requires to complete a program. An online program, though it seems easy, but it has got its own limitations. It has got its own difficulties. If you have observed, it was not only bringing the videos to you, many other things were covered. Your assignments, checking your assignments, giving you the results and everything, following up with you all. It's not one man's job. It requires a team. It requires a team effort. And KTHM College has got a very, technically strong and I would say mentally prepared team who are ready to take up new challenges. In a period of 40 days, they have conducted 3 programs, 2 faculty development programs and 1 workshop with different subjects, with different requirements. And I must mention here, the 2 faculty development programs they conducted had participants more than 900. More than 900 participants were involved in each batch of the faculty development program. It's a horrendous trust. It's not easy, friends. It's not easy. It's not easy to handle these number of participants. Uh, I'm sure there are technical difficulties at the end of the participants, at the end of the resource persons. We have to be equipped to take care of all those things. And these people have managed it so well so far that I didn't receive, rather me or Dr. Professor Sonamani sir, we didn't receive any complaint kind of thing about the delivery or the content of the program. And this is the reason, friends, I always say that KTHM College is kind of a sub-center of HRDC of Savitribai Phule, Pune University. I must mention it here, it's the only college where we have conducted orientation programs. And they have done a wonderful job even while conducting orientation programs. I'm sure this particular program for commerce management and economics teachers also was very rich in contents and academics, and you have enjoyed this new learning experience. We are coming up with 2 new faculty development programs. One is only for commerce teachers and the another is only for management teachers. These programs will be somewhere in the last week of July. Soon, very soon, we will be making that announcement. Friends, I'm sure you must have learned a lot through these programs, and you are all charged up to make a difference in your students' life. Lastly, I would like to thank the entire team of KTHM College for their continuous support and taking all the efforts in making this program successful. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.